Hi, my name is Dennis Ofasi and I'm studying computer science at the University of South Wales. The best thing about a computing course is the different topics that you can go through. I'm currently in my third year. I am loving one of my modules, which is intelligent systems, where we get to learn everything about artificial intelligence. So things like Alexa, Siri, all those things I find very, very fascinating. What excites me about the future? For me, it's the fact that I have the chance and the opportunity to develop software to change technology, because as you know and as we all know, technology is forever changing, and I'm excited at the opportunity to be able to hopefully do something that will bring positive change to the field. Why study a computer course at university? I enjoyed everything technology. I loved the fascination with phones and how computers and anything to do with technology works. I decided to then study at college, and I ended up studying a level 3 diploma in IT. What advice would I give to anyone studying at college? The first thing I would say is be self-motivated. You're not going to be chased around by lecturers for assignments. The second thing is to be ready to learn, because there's so much that you can gain from paying attention in lectures and putting in the extra effort. If I could sum up my experience so far, I would say enjoyable, fascinating, and eye-opening.